We are inviting all the dignitaries.
Gracias. Naso. Aha, na tenda. Mimi kisha niko na comment est-ce que vous appréciez les réalisations qu'a effectuées
merci de donner cette opportunité de parler un peu des performances de notre chef traditionnel, Welcomchi de Seconde. En fait, il faut d'abord préciser que c'est un licencié en histoire de l'université de Yaoundé. Donc, avec cette connaissance qui vient de l'université, nous avons constaté que depuis quelque temps, le développement passe d'une étape à l'autre. Et nous avons l'impression que le village, je ne pourrais pas utiliser le mot risque, peut atteindre l'émergence avant même le pays, en 2037. Donc, quand vous regardez les travaux qu'il a fait au niveau du palais, même les différents projets qui sont en train d'être exécutés au niveau du village, nous pensons que le chef traditionnel est en train de faire beaucoup de choses pour le village. Et quand je regarde également les constructions par les différents élites et autres, je vois comment ils s'impliquent dans ces travaux, contrairement à ce qui se passe avec peut-être d'autres. Je me dis qu'il est très intéressé au développement de ce pays et de ces villages. Et nous sommes très contents que le peuple baba est derrière lui pour pouvoir continuer vers cette route de l'émergence.
Allez, vous parlez de route, on comprend également que l'accès à ce village sera également l'une des priorités du chef.
Effectivement, déjà, je crois qu'on n'a pas eu de problème pour monter ici. Il y a 3 ans, c'était vraiment de l'enfer pour arriver. Donc maintenant, je crois que il y a d'abord la grande route, le ring road qui passe par le village avec une dimension de 7 mètres avec des couloirs de 2 mètres de deux côtés. Nous avons la route, l'accès dans les différents quartiers, c'est également une priorité du chef. Donc je crois que la route aussi, les routes aussi font partie des priorités de ces chefs-là.
Alors, on parle également de construction des écoles. Ça veut dire que les enfants du village ne vont plus très loin, ne cherchent plus les écoles, ne fréquentent plus.
Ça, c'est une opportunité que vous nous donnez de remercier le gouvernement pour tout ce qui est fait. Parce que moi-même, quand je sortais de l'école primaire en 1974 avec le président de l'association de développement de Babawa, il y avait 5 CES anglophones. Mais actuellement, au village, nous avons plus de 5 collèges CES et il y a également des collèges privés. Donc, l'accès à l'école demande un problème contrairement à ce qu'on avait par le passé. Merci.
Mr. Director General, son of Baba Awan. How do you appreciate the development projects carried out by the fund of Baba One?
Thank you very much. I want to say that I'm a son of Baba One and equally a notable of Baba One. I highly appreciate the projects which are being carried out by the government, by the people of Baba One, the Baba One Development and Cultural Association, and equally by the fund himself personally. So I highly appreciate all those projects.
So where are some of the areas that you think should be improved on as far as the development of the village is concerned?
Already much has been done, but as you know, so your friend Oliver Twist, who always want to ask more. So at the level of water and electricity, I think we have a lot of needs at this level. And especially in the dry season, it is actually very difficult to have drinking water. So it's quite a priority. A lot has been done, but much still has to be done.
What about the area of education?
In the area of education, the government has done a lot. It's an opportunity you are giving me to thank the government for all what is being done in our village. As I said, when we left, we were leaving school in 1975. I mean, there were 5 government colleges, English-speaking government colleges in the whole country. But presently, we have more than 5 colleges in the village. That's government colleges, and we only have private colleges. So children don't have any difficulty going to college.
What's your appreciation on this celebration?
The Silver Jubilee, that's 25 years. And it's not 25 days, so for 25 weeks. So I think the fund has gone about so far, and it is time to actually draw a balance sheet. And I think that this balance sheet is largely positive.
What do you think would be the responsibility of the elite to move this village forward?
I think this question has to be directed to the President of the Development Association, Mr. Gambo.
You are an elite. What would be your own contribution?
My own contribution is to actually carry out the projects which we can do at the level of our Development Association. That's why I was directing you today. Because we are doing a lot of things at the level of the Baba One Development and Cultural Association, while relying also on the government. That we highly appreciate for all what is being done.
Thank you very much.
Now it's a tricky one.
Listen to that.
Baba One Development Association. How has your association been fared so far?
I think if I'm to appreciate the activities of the Baba One Development Association, I would say it has really been globally positive. Much has been done for the development of this village, and thanks to, the indigenous and the elite alone cannot do everything. The government has been very, very supportive, and we thank the government very sincerely for what has been done. For example, as the National said, when Potumshi, the second over the throne of Baba One, we had only a lone private secondary school, but today we have 6. And the 6 schools with 2 high schools, 1 technical high school and 1 general education high school. I think we are delivering. And even the construction of the Baba One Palace that you see today, I think it is time to go and shift second. He has been a developer since association, and we're so happy.
So as a question, what are some of the projects in the pipeline that is
Yeah, we want to revamp the water project, which is presently not very efficient, and electricity. We still have some problems with power, the level of power as far as electricity is concerned. I think these are major issues that we have to reactivate. Some classrooms, we are looking forward to getting some classrooms in order so that everything can, so that the development should actually, even though the development can never be complete, there will always be other things. The route also, we are trying to improve upon the road network in the village. Much has been done, but we are still thinking of doing much. And we also count on the government to assist, because the government has assisted us so much in our development endeavors.
Monsieur le Président, comité d'organisation, sur les attentes de la population au-delà de ces grandes réalisations.
Oui, je crois que la population doit supporter sérieusement le régime au pouvoir, c'est-à-dire son excellence président de la République Biya. Je crois que la population doit supporter. L'État nous a protégés et on compte encore beaucoup sur l'État. Et on doit continuer à donner une position à l'État.
Reste qu'à Baba, on attend aussi l'explication.
Oui, on attend sérieusement l'électrification rurale parce que le système actuel n'est pas, ça fonctionne mais ce n'est pas tellement efficace. On croit que ça sera amélioré pour le bien-être du village.
They know the elder brother to Baba is my father. Baba is my father. And with those this cultural representation of our gratitude entity, it's an obligation to be here today. It is an obligation. And I am, a child of the family. And that is why I am here today and celebrating 25 years, celebrating excellence, celebrating accomplishment, celebrating another road to take. We stand this strong, we should go further. And with humility, with tenacity, with determination, he has brought us to this enlightenment, this education. The kingdoms that are not here, that wouldn't be representative enough, at least physically, of their majority. And at the end of the day, we realize that there is the union that has brought this immense accomplishment in 25 years that we have to celebrate. So I am here like the son of Baba, and it's an obligation of every son of Baba One to be in this part of the day celebrating the 25 years of our father. Thank you.